Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase Wallet. So if you also want to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase Wallet, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Coinbase Wallet application. Make sure you're logged into the wallet. You can see over here Coinbase Wallet is opened. Right now you're in the profile interface. Here you'll be able to see the balance. You can also see the option for buy, swap and cash out. All you have to do is tap on the buy option. You can see over here Coinbase Wallet does not support buying crypto in my region right now, but you'll be led to another interface where you'll be able to buy the Bitcoin. All you have to do is enter the amount and then you'll have to select the network and also select asset. In the asset, you'll have to select Bitcoin. After that, you'll have to choose a payment method. And after your payment is completed, you'll be able to buy the Bitcoin. So that is how you buy Bitcoin on Coinbase Wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.